How to change your Google Voice number? First of all, open the Google Voice app on your device and go to voice.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Once signed in, tap the settings square icon at the top right. In the account section, you will see your current Google Voice number. Since there is no direct option to change or get a new number, tap on the delete option. A confirmation will pop up. Tap delete number to proceed. After deleting your old number, register a new one by entering your city, area code, or desired location to view available numbers. Browse through the list and select the number you want to use. Once you select your new number, Google Voice will prompt you to verify your existing phone number. Enter your phone number and complete the verification process by inputting the code sent via text. After verification, tap Finish and your new Google Voice number will be active. Now you know how to change your Google Voice number. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.